Hey, Anton here from GT Canada, and today I want to show you my sweet new golf cart. This is awesome. So this is a 1980 something Yamaha golf cart. I bought it as a running, driving golf cart. Mechanically, it seems actually pretty sturdy, but I'm gonna give it a once over this weekend. It also needs a bit of a makeover. I'm gonna start by putting some air in the tires there. I think I'm gonna clean up the body a little bit, give it a paint job, because we're gonna be using this at our lake property, which also backs onto a golf course. So this is how we're gonna get around in style with our sweet golf cart. Stick around, I'm going to show you that makeover. So I'm going to start by doing a quick look over the engine just to kind of see what I'm dealing with. Right off the bat, I think I know why I need to have the choke on to be able to get it to run at all. So we'll reattach that. I'll probably pull the spark plug. This is a 2-stroke model, so it's a little bit older, which means you have to mix your gas with oil. It still seems to have plenty of pep. It's got electric start, so it functions just like one of the newer style golf carts, just a little bit older technology. So it's been a little while since I started filming this episode for the GT Canada golf cart, and I'm just going to give you a quick update on that. So I did get it running, got the air cleaner put all back in the way that it was supposed to be, and did some work on it, got it to where it was okay, but it was going to need a lot of work. But about that same time, I started actually going out and using our RV. What we found was an electric golf cart would be a lot better suited for what we're trying to do out there. We don't have gas readily available in the area, so it would require me to bring gas in jerry cans and everything, and it was just too much hassle. So we switched things up a bit, ended up picking up an electric golf cart instead. So this one just kind of sat around not doing a whole lot. Before I really realized that the gas wasn't going to work well for our application, I had already got some beautiful baby blue paint and had done a full baby blue paint job on it. I also repaired the cracks in the fiberglass as best I could. It was an amateur job, but you know, it at least wasn't cracked anymore and was held together well. Repainted the whole thing and ended up selling the golf cart before we really did a whole lot with it. So here you can see some pictures of the golf cart with the final paint job that was on it. It was a 2-stroke engine. It was kind of old. It was 1980s G1 Yamaha golf cart. Not a lot of parts, easy to come by, and just going electric solved a lot of other problems for us. At least you can see what the finished product looked like. It was a fun little golf cart. We did get some air in that tire though, which was great. Hope you enjoyed this quick little episode just to show you some of the projects that we're working on around the GT Canada garage. Some of the fun things we get to do when we're not working on cars all the time. Check out some of the other videos here, and we'll see you on the next video.